Good morning, friends. So, I have got a new book today. So, before reviewing this book, I will be telling about the history of this book. Actually, this book is written by Mrs. Anju Dhawan, who is director and the founder of SMS Consultants. And this consultancy is one of the best consultancy in the sector of teachers and principals recruitments in various schools. So, it is a pioneer consultancy, I would say, which most of the principals and the teachers they know that this schools deals with or this consultancy deals with some of or many of or maybe all of the best schools of the world in India, in abroad, in Gulf, everywhere. Okay. So a big contribution of SMS consultancy had been there in my life also. I got lots of breakthrough because of SMS consultancy. I got lots of guidance. So this book is written by Mrs. Anju Dhawan, who is the director and the founder of SMS Consultancy. And before this book is related to human resource management in school scenario. Okay. Before this book, she had written one book. The name of the book was It's Up to You. Now, the day I purchased that book, it was kept on my table, and a parent with a child came to me with some problem, and I found that that book can help the child. So I gave that book so I could not review. At that time, I also did not have the idea of reviewing any book or package opening or box opening, something like that. Because of this COVID-19 scenario, I came online and I came to know about various such cultures. So what I will do is I'll just open the package in front of you and I will make you feel the first feel what you get when you have this book in your hand. All right. Good things come in small packages, like costly diamonds. They come in small boxes. Same, this book. The weight of this book is merely 50 grams, but it has lots of wisdom in it. So I'm opening it for you all. The cost of the book is also very nominal. All right, you can check in Amazon. Although I got this book 3 days back, but since this book was under sanitization process, so I did not bring it home. Today I got it home. Now, since this package is now stabilized and sterilized, it is sterilized, sanitized, and stabilized. And after that, I have brought home. Still, I will again disinfect this seizure because I don't want to keep any chance. Beautiful package, and here it goes. This is the name of the book. Okay, uh, it is written by Mrs. Anju Dhawan. Human Resource in School Management for Success. Okay. Now, before reading this book, what I expect from this book is to learn some tips and tactics of human resource management and to communicate the same with people, those who land up practicing hit and trial method, as a result of which the human resource becomes human resource experimental lab orangutan. So such kind of things won't happen if we go through standard books. This is the bill. The cost of this book. This book costed me 299 rupees only. All right. So with 299 rupees, I'm going to get lots of knowledge. I do not know how ethical it will be to tell you everything about the book because I don't want to break the surprise of this book. All right. So I'll show you it from a distance. So she is Mrs. Anju Dhawan. She is the one who is behind hunt of various talented people across the country for schools. And let us see what is there. It is Lexicon Books publisher. There are many case studies in this book. Best HR practices are there in this. All right. About the book is there. Introduction is there to human resources, challenges in the human resource in schools. Best HR practices is there. Then various case studies are there based on hire and fire. Think of any favoritism. Favoritism is a big problem nowadays. Okay. Let's delegate, giving ownership, no interference, please, kind of a thing. Job hopping, we are a family, right choice matters, no salary, no motivation. We all need respect. Before, think before handing over reins. No politics, please, quitting, decision making, winning culture wins. All right. This book can be a very good gift to some of the people, you know. This book really can become a very good gift. If you are facing any human resource problem around you or with you, maybe you can gift this book to educate people. All right. So consider this as a very good gift item as well as enriching item too. Okay. Because people nowadays they do lots of different kinds of roadside MBAs and they pick up such kind of responsible job in which everyone suffers. So these kind of books are going to really help. Okay. Teaching as a profession and career path, leadership in school, leadership style in school, parental involvement in school management, positive psychology in human resource management, these are there in the book. All right. And see, the way the books are written is so nice that it won't take much time for you to read, as well as in a nutshell you will get the overall idea, because see, this book is meant for experienced people basically, not for the newbies, but at least somebody who has the exposure of human resource problem and challenges. The one who has experienced human resource problem and challenges, this book is going to be a big blessing. All right. So without making the video long enough, I'll cut the story short. I recommend this book to be purchased by anyone who wants to become a leader in school leadership scenario. All right, it's a very good book, very good book, very good book. Thank you, ma'am, for recommending this book to me, for sending the link of this book to me. All right, I wish that this book becomes the best seller, okay, among all the self-enrichment books. All right, so with heartfelt thanks for all the good things you have done for all of us and these beautiful books which you are writing. Okay, so I recommend everyone to go through this book, because in my social circle, mostly I have got teachers and principals, vice principals, coordinators. All of them will require this book to understand human resources, because you cannot play with human resources, isn't it? You have to work in a proper systematic manner so that the human resource uh, is utilized to its maximum extent and they are not mishandled by using experimental methods, considering human resource to be orangutan. All right. Because if you apply any whimsical methods which comes like a fantasy thought in your mind, and if you apply that, human resources will become like, you know, orangutan. So please don't experiment with people who are mm, provided to you for helping. Use validated methods of human resources. All right, there are some proper methods of human resources. So this book can be a very good gift. All right. So although I'm not going to give this book I'll keep with myself